All right, I've preheated the oven to about 300, so we can put the stuff on. All righty, give that piece to the cat. I'll just do this. This will be good eating today. Sirloin tips. I got the oven on high. I'll have to cut it down so that it builds back up to 300 after I close the lid down. Be a tasty treat today. Well, what do you know? Let's shut that down and let it rip. I lost it down to 200, but it won't take but a minute for it to build back up. Already climbed to 300. I'm gonna put it down on medium for a little while, see how it runs there. Sometimes it runs a little hotter, and 300 on medium runs up to about 400, so I may have to go down to low to medium low on it. But anyhow, it's going to be 5 minutes on the first cooking on the first side on the grill, and turn it and do 5 minutes on the other side, then 2.5 minutes each time on sirloin tips to turn them, and 5 minutes each time for at least 2 more rounds of it on the ribs. It'll take longer for the ribs this time today. For the first turning, I had to cut them all the way down on low. It was running about 320 on between low and medium, so you can see how that works. Yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Get my head screwed on right. Oh Lord, yeah, get the color already. Smells good. They reckon they've not invented the internet since I come around. You know, you didn't have no Facebook. Facebook, when I was growing up, your face stuck in a school book. That was Facebook. I didn't have no computers, no carry telephone. A cell phone back in, there wasn't no such thing as a cell phone unless you was in jail. You had to reach through the bars to get the phone hanging on the wall across from the bars. That was a cell phone. What about that? Don't ask me how I know, because I just thought I'd tell you. I've seen them before, though. All right, hey. I was going to tell you something. I was going to tell you, what was it? Oh, yeah, it's 90 degrees. I had to put my my big umbrella out here to get some of this heat knocked off of me, so I didn't want to stroke out here. There you go. Here's the second turning. One more thing I was going to tell you. I don't know if I already have or not. Probably not. But I let this meat set out to get almost room temperature for 2.5 hours before I started on this. So I season it, let it set out to get almost up to room temperature before I put them on. So that way the inside gets the same, you get a more of a true temperature throughout, true cook throughout your steak on however done as you want it. If you want it medium rare, it will come closer to being like it through most of the steak, instead of having it burn on the outside to get the temperature you want it inside cooking. You gotta get that blood out of there. I mean, it could be pink, be good, but not bloody to me. I'm not in the mood for no bloody meat, and I don't want it burnt on the outside to get it the right temperature on the inside neither. Running about 300 right where I was wanting it at there, so it's on low, but that's okay. I'm not in no rush with this. Time to start turning the stuff again. Every 2.5 minutes on the sirloin tips, and they're just about ready to be took off. Just about ready to be took off. I could have fried them in butter on a big old skillet inside, but I like seasoning for outside, you know, and I like doing this, so that's just the way it goes, you know. Let's see what we got here. All right, starting to melt down a little bit, and that's good. All righty. All righty. My
John said it don't look like anybody
tenderloin, my tenderloin steak. Not tenderloin, but that sirloin tip. I'll get it right in a minute. I'm gonna see what this is gonna look like here. Sirloin tip, like I said, it's not tenderloin. The tips are ready to come off.
Yeah, because you don't want them dried out. I'd rather have them pink than have them dry.
They're ready to come out of there.
If they're thin, like you put them on there, they get them dry.
No, man. Boy, we made that about a week ago.
The ones you make out here,
They're good. The last one's
you gotta angle cook it because they keep on cooking when you take
Here, this is ready to go in. Somebody take it.
Man, they're rich. That's good. Don't.
Those are steak. Oh, yeah, those are. Hey, chicken and potatoes in the microwave and stick it soft. If they ain't, put them up on for 3 more minutes. Cranberry.
Alrighty. One burner off on the right hand side. Time to turn them again. That one burner's indirect heat anyway, so I need to heat right under the stuff on, you know. And they're about ready to take off too. Alrighty. I want it to run about 300. It's been running about 325, so that's no big deal. As a matter of fact, it doesn't take a bite off. I tried to buy this taste test. Tastes pretty good. About right. Tender too. Yeah, I'm taking that little piece off. Let's just see what we got here. Boy, yeah, let her rip, buddy. Let her rip. That's what I say. Okie dokie. Let's see what we got cooking here. Cooking, Doc. Oh, Lord, yeah. Looking good. Clouding up. Supposed to get some rain tomorrow. Got like barometric pressure's gonna start dropping. Supposed to get down to 29 something tomorrow. So anyhow, that rain coming for 2 or 3 days on and off. Pretty good lot of it, I think. We need it. Let's see. There we go. Warm that booger up. Around about 300, 325. That's where I want it. See my deer's coming out through there, way over there. You might be able to see it over on the other side of the yard, way over there. Where are you going to? Come around out here and see about me, didn't you? You trying to find something out there? My mama might have thrown you something out there. Go look. She might have thrown something out that back door while you're looking at it. It's looking at me. Again, I'm going to check one of these, see how close it's coming to looking like it's done anything. I don't believe it's near hardly where it needs to be yet, but I'm going to check it just to make sure. Just to make sure. It's just like got a bug bite me. Let me get that thing off my arm. Trying not to get burnt. This thing's flaring up. Oh, Lord, it's looking good. Just about where I want it. Let's see what this one looks like. Even here it's thicker than that oven is, so may not be done. It don't like much. Look at what thick rib. It don't like much. It's a bit right in the thickest part there. And to ours, what you might call done. I'm gonna take them off. Or the right there where I want them, in other words. These two is. These other two got to stay on there just for a little bit longer. Yes, sir. Looking good. What do you think about that? Turn right here. Maybe. Getting pretty close to where I want it. It's been on almost an hour. Thick half of the pork rib has, so the other one come off about 5 or 10 minutes ago. The other half of that big pork rib. Just cut off here. It's done. We'll take this off the grill. That's it. That's the name of that game. Finished product: ribs, pork ribs, sirloin tips, baked potato, sour cream, butter, and some salad, and a Pepsi zero Pepsi. Thank the Lord today. Glad y'all visited me today.